Most of the people that I know personally that are killing it at using this technology are 50 plus. And I really thought, the young kids, the 35 and under, are really going to grab this thing and take off. That has not been my experience at all. Teachers were telling them, you better not use this or we're going to fail you. I think a lot of fear was instilled in them, so they really held off on using it. And as I started getting interviews, which were few and far between, I quickly realized that I had, in that time, missed the entire digital age of advertising. So even though I exited at the top of my game in a very high position, all of that expertise was completely irrelevant because time and technology had moved on. I realized that at the age I was at, I could not afford to miss out on another huge technological wave of not learning the industry and the business and the tools. That was the fire that was lit underneath me to grab a hold of this technology and learn everything I possibly could about it because I've been irrelevant before and I couldn't afford to let that happen again.
SourceKamp helps organizations automate time-consuming tasks, automate workflows, enhance productivity. Its mission is to bridge the gap between complex AI technologies and practical implementation, ensuring businesses not only adopt AI, but also maximize its potential.
I like getting on podcasts like this where I can talk about the tools, the tricks, the shortcuts, what's coming, what to focus on, what not to focus on. That was what was appealing. Connectors are going to be the thing that changes another huge wave of society as we know it. So ChatGPT, for example, has partnered with Walmart and HubSpot and some other platforms through their connectors. The other reason I'm so glad I picked Notion because now, here's a little secret sauce for you.